Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, May 5th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, welcome to another crappy day in paradise. Yeah, we just had another rotten day. I can't remember when we've had a good day. That's the way it goes in trading. This has just been so repetitively bad day after day. And you could say it's because the Dow has gone down some, but uh, we've some upside action too, and it hasn't helped. It's just like um, all the spirit has gone out of these stocks, and we're just not getting anything but red. Um, so it's very discouraging right now. We had about negative $1,300, I think, yesterday in open trade. By the time we closed that out, it was negative over $5,000. Then we get into a bunch of new stuff, um, and most of it is crap. And so we're holding negative about $6,000 going into tomorrow. So you add the closeout trades to the open trade equity, yeah, about negative $11,000, and it seems like that's kind of what we've been doing all along, but day after day after day, and yeah, it gets old, and it also is a big drain on our equity. Um, Very, very tough. Uh, I called the Dow down for today, and technically it made 9 points, so I was wrong. But in some ways, the Dow was very weak today, and so I kind of was right in the sense that I called a weak market. Uh, you can see here what happened is it started out like it was trying to do a little rally, and then it fails, goes negative, and then it just comes back at the end just a little bit to get positive 9 points. Unfortunately, it's this little rally at the end of the day that gets us into stuff, and we got into a few things, and most of it is bad. We had got into one decent trade in Degas, but the rest is really crap. And I'll show you. Uh, I'll show you three examples of this. Just why I am complaining so much. Here's Weight Watchers International. Been watching these videos for a while. We've had some absolutely fabulous trades with this, but this was just we get some consolidation here. We get a nice breakout. I mean, look, huge breakout on the open. But man, right from the go get up here, they're selling this thing. And we do get some pullback here. We get in here, but that's not good enough. You just keep going down and down, down, filling that gap. And as a result, we're down over $2,000 in Weight Watchers International. Uh, Here's another one. This is Chemours Chemical. Chemours. This thing opens down, but it does this big rally right at the beginning of the day. Again, not too much different from Weight Watchers International. Hey, look what happens. We end up buying the high tick of the day, and then it, you know, sells off for the rest of the day. We're down $3,000 in Chemours Chemical. And finally, another crappy trade. We get, this is Laredo Petroleum, LPI. Huge gap here. Absolutely huge gap. Of course, we buy the gaps. We buy it right here. Well, we don't get quite the high, but we're getting pretty darn close to the high there. And it sells off right after we get in. So we got another red trade over $3,000 negative. So very discouraging day. It's just like it doesn't make any difference what we do. Whatever we do loses money. That's the way it feels right now. Maybe we'll get a turnaround tomorrow. Who knows? This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here online on Friday.